Hello viewers and subscribers, and I just wanted to do an update on the lettuce. I started the black seeded Simpson and Paris Island cause lettuce. I say it's been a few weeks now, and look at them now. Lettuce is it grows really fast. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be harvesting lettuce, and I'll be pulling off the outer leaves to for my salads, and I'll continue to do that until it stops producing, and then I'll start another set of lettuce. I think I'm going to be doing red salad bowl and some red romaine lettuce, so I can have a variety of different lettuce in my salads. And I'll be doing a video on starting those seeds in a few days. So I just wanted to give you an update on the lettuce. And until the next video, blessings, y'all.